Going to show you exactly how I was able to turn my $10 into $2,541 with 9 profitable trades in a row. And this strategy is extremely simple that even a person who have just started to trade binary options today can also use it right after watching this video. So watch this video very carefully because I am going to explain you firstly this strategy in a simple way, and then I am going to show you the exact trades that I have made which gave me this 9 win in a row. Okay, I'll show you the exact video where I have made these trades. Okay, so if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to copy my trades automatically into your Pocket Option account by using the social trading feature of Pocket Option, then do join my free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video and the first comment below. So now without doing any delay, let's get into our today's topic. Pocket Option 5-second strategy that is easy to follow. So first thing you need to do is you need to make all of this currency pair favorite. Just make these stars yellow and this currency pair will start to appear at here. Make all of this yellow that have like 92% payout. Just make this your favorite. Once you do this much, then click on here and click on these candles and make sure you select the candle time frame as 5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now make sure to enable this timer. Okay, if you enable this timer, then you'll see this kind of 1, 2, 3. Okay, the timing of the candle. If you turn it off, it will not appear at here. That's why it is important to turn it on. Okay, once you do this much, then you just you need to select 5-second here. If you are seeing a flag at here, make sure it is a clock and select the S5 time frame. So that means now your candles are also forming in 5-second time frame and your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds. Now you need to implement the indicator. Now this is the indicator that I am in present day I am continuously making videos on this indicator only because it is so beginner friendly indicator that anyone can start to use. Okay, and maximum of the people who have watched my previous YouTube videos and who have used this strategy, this indicator, are making good amount of profits. That's why I'm continuously making this video to help you to make profitable trades. So the indicator is called parabolic SAR. So just click on here and click on parabolic SAR. You can also find this indicator in your mobile phone if you log into Pocket Option to your mobile phone. Okay, so you don't need to make any changes to this setting. It is fine in the default. Okay, just leave it as it is. Now let me show you the exact strategy that you need to use to make trade by using this indicator. So these are the parabolic dots. So whenever these parabolic dots are forming below the candles, that means it is an uptrend. Whenever the parabolic dots are forming above the candles, then that means it is a downtrend. Okay, and whenever the second dot starts to form, okay, so let's say if you see the one dot at here, it is forming right now, and if you in the second dot, you need to immediately make trade by clicking on lower. Okay, similarly, if the parabolic dots are forming below the candles, okay, and you see that one dot is forming, okay, then immediately in the second dot, whenever it forms, you need to make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this. Okay, now what happened yesterday night? I woke up at the middle of the night, okay, and I was not feeling so much sleepy, so that's why I thought to make some trade on my mobile phone. Okay, so I started to use this. I wanted to test it in mobile also. Okay, this indicator, and I logged into my mobile phone and I started to make trade. So I thought to invest $10 and keep on compounding it. Like $10, it made me a profit of 9.20. $19, okay, I invested it and it gave me 36. I invested it. That's in that way I started to make trade. Well, I don't recommend you to use it in that way, but if you want to just risk your $10 or $1 in this strategy by compounding, you can do it. Okay, but your whole capital can go in loss. Okay, so that's why invest as little as possible that you can afford to lose. And I invested $10, it became profit. Again this, again this, again this. In that way, I invested up to $1,000 and all of these 9 trades were profitable with this exact strategy that I have shown you right now. So now what I will do is I'll show you the exact trades that I have done in my mobile phone. So watch that video very carefully. I have also posted a short You can watch that short also where I showed you with the title is like $10 to 24 $41 in profitable, sorry, pocket option 5 second strategy. That shorts is also posted in my YouTube channel. You can watch that, okay, or you can watch the video that I am going to show you. Now I'll not talk because that trade is already done. Okay, you can see the results at here. Now watch that video carefully and see how when the one dot has appeared, I was waiting to make another trade in the second dot. Okay, just carefully watch that. One dot was formed here and second dot formed. I made a trade by clicking on lower. In that way, I was keep on trading for this 9 times and all of these trades were profitable. So watch that video very carefully. Now I'll keep quiet and show you that video.